Hi Pelo, I'm here again. I just want to change this Bulova quartz. I think the code is 6877865. This one's water resistance. So that's the model. It comes with the day with 5, 10, 15 minutes, and they have a very bold numbers there, very big. It's good to see it, and the access to open it, I think is this one. So I'm gonna use this Jorest watch repair tools. This one, it's a big help for me. It's a little giant. Gain skill and save money by do it yourself. Read that one. I bought this one May 9, 2023, and made in China. So that's different translations. So the English there. Great for adjusting, replacing watch strap, opening watch covers, replacing watch batteries, gasket, etc. Most basic watch repair that you can do around your house. This one is the snap-on. Hopefully I have a lock to put this one out and put this one in. Let's do it right now. So I give you a close-up look what's on this box. The number one important is this prying screw. Very reflected, easy to pick it up when you left it around or anywhere. They have some cleaning cloth there. This one is the used for take care of the screw lock from the back of the watch, but we never use this one. We just only use the prior. So let's open this one. So hopefully we can open it. So just do it slowly. So it's already open. Hopefully I have a battery on this one. It says 377. Let's get that 377. Hopefully I have it. Hold on, I'm gonna get it right now. Here we are. I have a bunch of buttons battery here. So I'm lucky I have the 377 here. So this one is expired by 2027 year. So pop this one up. We are lucky, guys, that we have this one. So here we go, it's there. And let's put these ones out. So it's locked. It's very easy. You can just point to this one and pull it out forward, and it plies. And hopefully you can take this one out. So I just leave it like that. I just push the battery in. So the positive is on the top. So it's right there. Make sure it sit good. And let's see when. So now it's working. That's how easy to change the battery. So hopefully we have a lock to put this one in. So line up this cut. So this one is made in China. right there, made in China by Bulova, and line up to this thing and put this in. So just pressing firmly in the middle, and when you hear that pop up like sound, so it's already set. It's very, you can seal it's sealed. There's no any gap there, so it means you already put it back. And when you do it pours, this one is the result I show you. So don't do it by pours. So this one, I don't have the lucky day today. I just break it. I don't know, in any reason, this for the battery all I changed. This one is the more difficult one. Even though you align on this one, you can still not get it. And suddenly when I push it hard right there, it's hard to get the right seatmate on this one. See, it's hard. I'm bad to say I damaged the glass, all cracked all over the place. So sorry to this one. This one is the Giorgio Armani. This one is from China too. It's brand new. The shield of the plastic still there. So I'm sorry to that one. So that's why I tell you, don't press it hard, or else you're gonna break the glass of your, and it's more expensive to fix that. So if you're not comfortable, just go to the jewelry store or store watch that put your battery in, or they charge you, I think for now it's $20. Okay, hopefully you like this video. So I just show you behind the camera how to change this one. It's gonna be take a while if it's I show it to you how to put the cover back in. And thank you very much. So I'm positive that this Jorest watch repair tool set, it helps, no doubt. I recommend it to buy it in Amazon for only $10 free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. So that be it and out, and have a wonderful day. And this how you change your Bulova quartz watch. Peace. I'm out. Goodbye.